Importance of self-care and self-love. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the importance of self-care and self-love. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life and forget to take care of ourselves. What is self-care? Self-care is any activity that we engage in to take care of our physical, emotional, and mental health. This can include things like exercise, eating well, getting enough sleep, spending time in nature, or engaging in a hobby that we enjoy. Self-care is not selfish, but rather it's essential for us to be able to function at our best and live a fulfilling life. What is self-love? Self-love is the practice of accepting and caring for ourselves. It involves treating ourselves with compassion and kindness, rather than being critical or judgmental. Self-love is not about being arrogant or narcissistic, but rather it's about recognizing our own worth and treating ourselves with the respect and care that we deserve. Why are self-care and self-love important? Self-care and self-love are important for several reasons. First, they help us to maintain our physical health and well-being, which in turn, helps us to function at our best. They also help us to manage stress and prevent burnout, which is essential for our mental and emotional health. Additionally, practicing self-care and self-love can help us to build self-confidence and improve our relationships with others. Remember, taking care of ourselves is not selfish, but rather it's essential for us to be able to live a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.